Hey guys, my name is Johnathan Rivera and I'm the software product manager here at Gallagher. We've recently launched Gallagher Ag Devices, which is a mobile application that connects your iSeries Energizer straight to your phone. With our new mobile app, you'll be able to view your fence performance, turn your iSeries on or off, as well as receive alerts when there's a fault in your fence line. With the app, it is cloud connected, so you are able to use the app anywhere you do have connectivity. So you don't need to be right next to your fence or even your iSeries Energizer. So this means you'll be able to monitor and control your Energizer from anywhere in the world. So the great thing about this application is that it's compatible with all iSeries Energizers. So if you've got an existing iSeries, all you need to do is pick up a Wi-Fi gateway and then you can enable the application. Before we install the Wi-Fi gateway, just make sure that you do have Wi-Fi near your iSeries unit. If you don't have Wi-Fi, you can pick up a mobile hotspot and enable connectivity through a carrier. Before we set up the application, first thing we need to do is install a Wi-Fi gateway. So I'll show you guys how to do that now. But first things first, we'll need to make sure that our iSeries is powered off. Once you've got your gateway unpacked, next step is to mount it or set it up next to your iSeries unit. So now that we have our Wi-Fi gateway mounted, we'll next grab our RJ12 cable that's included with the Wi-Fi gateway, and we'll plug this into the first jack on the left side. And then for the other side, we'll unmount our iSeries and we'll plug it into the back where you'd normally have the controller plugged. Next thing we want to do is we want to take our controller and plug our controller into the Wi-Fi gateway. So we'll take our cable and we'll plug it in just right in that second jack. Last bit to complete our hardware installation is just to take our power jack and plug that into the far right port of the Wi-Fi gateway. Now that your hardware is all set up, next step is to turn your Energizer back on, and then we can blink the application up to your iSeries. You can download your Gallagher Ag Devices app via the Apple or Google Play Store. First things first, I'm going to be taken to the login page. I've already got an account, but if you don't have an account set up, you can hit sign up now, which will enable you to set up your account. So what it's going to say on my first screen is add an Energizer to start monitoring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click this button here that says add Energizer. It's going to look for the Wi-Fi credentials that my Wi-Fi gateway is connected to. So that could either be your Wi-Fi router or it could be your mobile hotspot. Once done, I'll hit connect. And now it says, I can see prepare for the blink up. We're just gonna have our screen touching the Wi-Fi gateway. So I've hit proceed, point at screen now, and it'll start the blink up process. You'll know it's done once the phone vibrates and your camera flashes. As you can see, my camera just flashed and my blink up is finished. All right guys, now that you're all set up, enjoy a better view of your fence. For more information, head on over to Gallagher.com.